Hi guys, this is a simple walkthrough of this angle grinder. The brand is Lomvum, right there, and the model is A500. It's a 1200 watts angle grinder. It's 4 inches the size, and I bought this from Lazada from one of the sellers there, of course, and it's quite cheap. So it's only 10 US dollars, so 500 pesos. Yeah, plus shipping fee of 50 pesos, so that's 11 US dollars. It's very cheap. It came with this holder which you can put either on the right or on the left, so it goes right there, and it comes with this guard, the blade guard, and you have of course the wrench for tightening, yeah, and this, yeah, for holding the blades. Yeah, so actually that's pretty much it. Yeah, nothing more. So for you guys who may not be familiar how to tighten it, so this is the clutch, or I don't know, I think it's a brake. So when you push this one, so it locks the blade, yeah, there, so that doesn't rotate, so you can either loosen or tighten it. Quality is quite good. So in here it's made of I think aluminum, yeah, so it's rust resistant. Right here on the body it's made of hard plastic, and the quality of the wire used is quite good, yeah. So it's rated at 1200 watts. The only problem though is 50 hertz, so that might overheat this over time, so not recommended for using for continuously. On the sides here, this is where the carbon brushes are, so you have two of them. That should last very long, except if you use this for heavy works. So overall build quality is good. Let me remove this so you guys can hear this, how does it sound when you work on it. And yeah, by the way, the switch is right here, yeah, the back, right there. So it's plugged in now. I don't know if you call it safe or not, but just for try, yeah. Anyway, it doesn't have a blade, and nothing there will fly away. So the switch is right here, and let's turn it on. Did you see the kick? Quite strong. Anyway, yeah, I hope this has been helpful to you guys. Some people actually, say that why do I speak in English when I'm in the Philippines? The reason for that is so you have a wider audience. Anyway, us Filipinos, maybe 99 of the Filipinos can understand English, and yeah, so that other people who may be watching this, will be able to understand what I'm saying, what I'm talking about. So again, here's the Lumbum angle grinder, 4 inches or 100 millimeter, 10 centimeter also, for 20 volts, 220 volts. Yeah, the only comment there negative I can say is the 50 hertz. So Philippines is 60 hertz, so this motor may actually overheat over time, but yeah, but overall quality is good, and it's great value for money. Hey guys, where can you buy $10 or $11 with its shipping, 500 pesos, 50 pesos? Normally, for branded like Makita, this would sell for easily 2,000 or 1,500 pesos and up. But yeah, yeah, blades are all quite cheap as well. Yeah, so yeah, really great value for money. So thank you guys. Bye bye.